Well, good night. Our project is Backland, and we are a company who are going to work with the government, and we are going to look for resources from the government because we are going to work with lands that are used land and people who have money. So our objective is to make the country to produce the most and to be a country like the developing countries. And we are going to make Costa Rica develop faster than before because we are going to contact the people who have land but doesn't have the money to produce anything, and the people who have the money to produce in this land. So we are going to be the company in between, and we are going to have some resources, and with those resources we are going to buy land, more land to invest, and to make the country to success and produce the most. And well, you can contact in backland.com. This is our page, web page. And as I told you, our problem is useless land and the bad production in the third world. So we are going to solve this problem in the third world, that these are countries that doesn't produce that much. We are solving this with making contact the people who have the money with the people who doesn't have. The objective is, as I told you before, is develop the country because we are going to make the country to work more efficient than before. And the resources, we are going to find the resources from the government because there isn't anything like that, and it is going to increase our production and make that our gross national product to increase like the developing countries. And what we are going to do also, we can have land. Also, people can post in our page their land and they can sell it. Also, we are going to substitute this guy that is called realtor. We are going to become like the more efficient realtor, and we are going to sell lands as well, and also properties. You can post your property there. Also, we have a lot of publicity and things like that. So if you post there, it is almost 100% sure that you are going to sell your land or your property. So we are going to substitute the realtor. And
when people post it in the page, we're just, just us are going to see who posted, because it can be like maybe people can use it for fakes or something, so it's very secure. And we are going to contact people who want to buy a land. Not just to a commercial or a company, because if you have gone to Liberia, there's a lot of land that it's in sale, but not everyone goes to Liberia once in a year at least. So you can buy your land there and contact the people who want to buy land.
Also, Thailand is not just to sell lands. We are as Willis explained, we are going to work with those lands to produce some products. So we have our special people that will do science experiments to that land to see if that land is available to do that. For example, we are going to
maybe people want to grow up watermelon.
Watermelon, yes. So we need to know if the land is going to be useful for watermelon. So we are going to do all the science experiments. Studios. Thank you.
for instance, if someone wants to sell potatoes, not all the people want to buy the land to produce potatoes. So we contact the people who have the land in Cartago, for instance, and the ones that want to produce potatoes, and we give it the land to them, and they gain some resources for us. Well, see, how it works is that you go to the page, and there is, in the page there is all the projects that are on right now, and you can see that our project is promising, and there is a part that says messages, so you send your message saying how much money do you have and where are you going to invest, and we look for in our basis data and we see what land is the perfect land for this project or what you want to produce.
And also Thailand have some agreements with other banks like Banco Costa Rica,
Citibank.
Citibank, yeah.
And later on, we are going to become a bank, but many other things in the future.
Thank you.